Hello. Okay. So I've been waiting on this package all day. It said it was going to be here between 5:45 and 7:45. It's now almost 8:45. It just showed up. Let me show you what I got. Here's the box. It's about 3.5 feet tall. This is the company. It is a mattress company. They specialize in RV mattresses. Finally broke down after 2 years, and this is specially made for us. So let's take it out of the box and then get it in the RV, and then figure out how I'm going to get the old mattress out. So I'd like to get this in tonight yet and sleep on it tonight. According to the instructions, you don't have to wait for it like most mattresses say. Wait 24 hours or 2 hours for it to unpack itself, but this one says only 2 or 3 minutes. So okay, let's see what it says here. Okay, this thing fit through the door okay. It's 63 pounds. They give you a 100-night sleep guarantee. They say you can return it, and reviews say the returns do work, so that's how much they believe that people like these. Alright, now to carefully cut this without damaging it. I don't know which way is up, which way is down, but I'll do my best to position it when I get it open. There it goes. I think I need to turn it. There, I have it positioned correctly. The seam or the folding part is right here. This is the part that folds. So let's open it the rest of the way. Actually, it's upside down, so I have to turn it around again. Whew. Okay, success. Folds just as it should. Yeah, so when the slide comes in, it'll be perfect. Measurements were exact. I got the Utopia, which is the better of the mattresses. I was looking at RV Mattress, the company RV Mattress, but their mattresses were like, they were all over $1,000. This was under $1,000, and according to reviews, it's better quality bed. A lot of RVers give this a 5-star review. So this bottom part is 10 inches and this top part is 8 inches because of the 2-inch gap split there for the slide out. And like I said, it's a 100-night sleep guarantee. So we get a few months to try it out. The old mattress, I think my back was, I was waking up feeling like I got beat up on the last mattress, so hopefully this will help out. Oh, and they did not pay me to say any of this or to promote anything. I paid for this out of our own money. I wish they would have gave us this. Getting there. Yeah, well, it's been 3 nights now, and it was a pretty good sleep. I slept really hard for 3 nights, so far so good. Um, Stay tuned. I'm not inside because the air conditioning's running, and it's kind of loud in there, but it's 94 today. It's supposed to be the same tomorrow. Tomorrow we're supposed to take off to go camping for a week, and it's supposed to rain all week, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.